Well, look what we got here. A Bose QC35 or Comfort 35. Look at how pathetic this ear pad becomes after 3 years of use. I really like this headphone because it runs for a long time. Very nice noise cancelling. I think the design and the build is much better than the new Bose 700. So this is the QC35 from Bose, and today I am going to do a tutorial on how to replace these ear pads because I just got a new one. Yep, I got this from Amazon for like 15 bucks. You can order them from the description link below. You can check it out, and I'm going to show you how to replace them. So here's the instruction booklet that comes with. All right, and the first thing you want to do is remove the old pad. Let's just put it out like that, and then replace the old scrim mat if needed. Okay, and kind of wipe it off, and then clean the adhesive wall right here. And then, because I'm the QC35, I will look at this one right here on the right. And then push the ear pad underneath each one of the flange. Okay? And the last step is to just use your fingernails or the plastic stick to push this guy in on the side. And you're done. So let's get on it. Alright, step one, just remove the old ear pad. That's just kind of scary. I've never done this before. So, okay, so let's just, oh, there it is. Super simple. This is the old ear pad. This is the new one I got. Okay, just want to compare that. Yep. I never knew there's a replacement pad for these guys. Otherwise, I'll get it like a year ago because this thing broke after a year, like a year and a half of use. Okay, let's try to do one ear for one side first. Because after I remove it, then I can replace the old screen mat if needed. Okay, let's say I want to remove. Do I want to remove this? I guess I don't have to, right? I mean, yeah, just use the original. That's fine. Just purge out any dust that is inside. Alright. So I think step 2 and step 3 is kind of optional, I believe, as if you just want to replace the ear pads. Whatever this is, the old scrim mat. If you want to replace it, you can go ahead and replace it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. But you can just clean it out, right? I think this is fine. If you want to do it, you can just leave it up here, and there's an adhesive sticker right here. You can pull it out and push the new thing back in, and there's a little sticker right here you can stick into it. But for now, I am just gonna leave it because, yeah, this is fine for me. Alright, so I have the ear pads right here. I am just going to push this in, I guess. Let's see how they're gonna work. So I'm way on to right here, right? Step 3, and push the ear pads underneath each one. Okay, I'm just taking a closer look at the headphone right here. So you see this little plastic sticker sticking out like this? Alright, right here, and here, and here, all around the headphone set. So this part, you want to put that pad, see this pad right here? You want to put this part under those plastic parts that's sticking out. Okay, so that's kind of need some of your nails or the plastic thingy they provided in the box to push this part in. See this part into under these plastic things. Okay, and that's what I'm doing now. Okay, I think it's a bit kind of hard to see, so once you have this thing right here, you want to slide the top part into this plastic part right here, right? That's the first stopper. And then you want to kind of push it, all right? And then you make sure all the sides got pushed in. You can use it. So the first one, I just use my fingernails to push it in. So this one is secure. Now I'll go to the next one. All right, let's push it in like that. And you can go to the next one. You can flip this guy up a little bit. And you can push it in. Push it in. And push it in. All right. It gets harder when you are on the next push. All right, this one is like this one is really hard to get in because it's getting really secure. So like you can use a finger, it's fine. I don't think I need to use the tool, but you can use the tool if you want to. So just can push it in. All right, just calm it down, push it in. And then that's all it is. Okay, it's not gonna fall off. Oh, I missed one spot. See? So this one will be really hard to push in because, okay, there you go. That's done. So that's one side done. How's it looking? All right, much better looking than this one. All right, so yeah, it's pretty solid. So let's try to do the left side. Again, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna pull this off. All right, kind of get the dusted out. Okay, again, I'm not gonna replace the inner part of this. So leave it there because it's original. It's not nothing really damaged. It's just kind of dusty for what it is. And I'm gonna use a new pad. Place it on top. Again, we're gonna line up the plastic parts right here. So you can just pull this part. You can pull this part off like this. You can see this ring, right? Push the ring under the plastic stud I showed you before. All right. Push it in. Push it in. And push it in. I mean, you can use the tool if you want to. You have your nails. You want to damage your fingers. Right, just like that. Too easy. All right, and then like that. Use my fingers easier. See, you want to push the ring down a little bit to see where the studs are, and then you can use the tool to just like push it in right there. I use my nails. This is where it is. You don't want to push too much to damage the headphone itself. Okay, where is it? It's right here. It's not getting in. Use my tool. Okay. So the tool was useful when you have a really hard spot there to fix, but now look at this headset. Just as new. So I have replaced the ear pads. Now I'm going to try it on and see if it feels comfortable. And sure it is. And it's, what did I say? I can't hear myself. Turn it on. Noise cancelling, just like normal. The ear pads are really comfortable right now. I can use this guy again. I've been using these guys for a year and a half now. I hope you guys having fun. Replace your ear pads on the Bose QC35 QuietComfort35. Hope you guys like the video and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for support. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. See ya.